Heavy. Heavy.
This is called, here is,
And I'll explain why.
the nautical mile. Right?
So,
Okay, this is very simple. Okay, a nautical mile, okay? Here, okay, demonstration. Nautical miles are, and nautical miles, okay? Okay, miles is nautical miles. Nautical miles. Attention, attention, attention. This is the important part. Nautical miles, nautical miles. Or, okay, so this is how it works, right? Nautical miles.
but, force.
This is, okay, miles. It's not a mile. So,
So when you see people,
right, nautical miles, that is why we have nautical miles,
is impossible.
okay? Nautical miles, okay, mile nautical, right? Nautical miles, because either you get it or you don't get it.
Thank you.